Let me ask you something. How much is your future worth to you? Because right now, in your 20s, you're not just building a career. You're building a legacy or a liability. Here's the truth no one told you in school. The financial mistakes you make in your 20s don't just cost you dollars, they cost you decades. And avoiding them could be the difference between living paycheck to paycheck or flying first class through life. In this video, we're going to break down the 5 silent wealth killers draining your future and what to do instead to build real, lasting wealth. Stick with me till the end, because mistake number 5, it's the one even financially smart people still fall into. Here's a brutal truth. Most people are broke trying to look rich. They are leasing a lifestyle instead of building one. Living beyond your means isn't about buying coffee, it's about chasing validation through consumption. And in your 20s, when your income is still growing, every dollar spent to impress is a dollar you just robbed from your future self. Remember, Warren Buffett still drives a big. What are you flexing on TikTok for? Flip the script. Live like no one else now, so you can live like no one else later. Invest in assets, not aesthetics. You'll thank yourself in 10 years when you're watching the sunset in Santorini, not scrolling through someone else's story. Not having a budget is like getting in your car, closing your eyes, and hoping you arrive at your dream life. Spoiler alert, you won't. A budget isn't a prison, it's your permission to spend intentionally. If your bank account could talk after a weekend brunch, it'd probably say, bro, seriously. Start with the 50-30-20 rule. Track every dollar. Treat your money like a soldier. Send it out with a mission. Because money with no direction disappears. Think credit doesn't matter because you're not buying a house yet. Think again. Your credit score affects everything. Rent approvals, car insurance, even job opportunities. Bad credit can cost you thousands in interest. That's like burning stacks of cash just for being careless. You'd never leave your phone at 1% all day, right? So why leave your credit score in the red? Start building early. Pay bills on time. Keep utilization low. Your future self, the one signing a mortgage on that beach house, will high-five you. This is the most expensive mistake and the easiest to fix. Time is your greatest asset. Every year you wait to invest is a year compound interest doesn't work in your favor. Want to retire a millionaire? You don't need a 6-figure job. You just need time and action. And in a minute, I'll show you exactly why most people lose this game even when they think they are winning. Because the power of compounding, it's not just math, it's magic, and most people ignore it. Saving is vital, but there's a limit to how much you can cut. There's no limit to how much you can earn. You're wealthy. They focus on scaling income, not just clipping coupons. Side hustles, skills, networking. Every hour you invest in growth now returns massive dividends later. You're not stuck. You're just one skill away from your next level. And speaking of growth, what if I told you there's a way to turn $200 into over $100,000 without lifting a finger? Avoid these 5 mistakes, and you're not just avoiding pain, you're building a life of freedom, power, and peace. One where money doesn't control you. You control it. So if you're ready to start building wealth with intention, the next step is learning how your money can grow while you sleep. Tap into the greatest wealth-building force in the world, compound interest. We just scratched the surface today. Click on the video right here on your screen, The Power of Compounding. Why time is your greatest investment, and let's build that wealthy life, brick by brick.